Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by cutting the plywood base to the chosen mat footprint. Measure twice, cut once. Once done, glue a 1/2 inch to 1 inch closed cell foam layer to dampen shock. Press evenly so there are no bubbles. Make sure to leave the edges flush with plywood. This prevents turf bunching later. Next, position the turf with the grain running fore-aft and temporarily weigh corners down. You need the turf stable before final adhesive steps. You now secure the turf. Pull it taut, then apply contact adhesive in staggered 6-inch strips on both foam and turf backing so it bonds quickly. Once tacky, lay the turf from the center toward the edges to force air out. This prevents bubbles and creases. Make sure to trim the excess with a sharp knife, then staple the perimeter every 2 to 3 inches for mechanical hold. If you have seams, overlap slightly and use seam tape with adhesive for an invisible join. Finish by installing the T-location. Cut a 2-inch pocket for a rubber T insert, or glue a reinforced patch where you'll hit repeatedly. This preserves turf life. Next, sand and seal the plywood edges, then attach non-slip rubber backing or pads so the mat won't shift during shots. Test with 10 firm swings. If the turf lifts, reapply adhesive under the affected area and add staples. If seams separate, press seam tape and clamp until cured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.